Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Premium Stash tab Poe2. Open your stash, buy or enable the Premium tab, and set up categories before you stash loot. Use filters to highlight currency, maps, and gear so you find items instantly. Assign color tags and move items with shift drag to speed transfers between characters. Regularly clean tabs to prevent clutter and keep your economy healthy and manageable. Start by creating clear tab names like currency, crafting, maps, and rares to avoid confusion. Apply color tags and icons so important pieces pop when you scroll fast. Configure stack and sorting rules to auto-group similar items and reduce manual sorting time. Practice moving items with shift drag and test filters until everything behaves predictably. This setup pays off when you need quick trades or rapid crafting runs in hectic gameplay moments. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and budgeting for in-game purchases and real life. It pairs nicely with managing stash economy and priorities and makes microtransactions feel less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Leverage multi-select and quick move to shift piles of loot between tabs without wasting time. Pair stash filters with item links to hunt upgrades or duplicates efficiently during trading sessions. Keep screenshots or simple export notes of your layout so you can rebuild that exact system on new accounts or after resets. These small habits save hours and make hardcore or endgame grind far less annoying and a lot more profitable overall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.